Alright, welcome back. In the last video, we got an extreme switch hooked up to our NAT interface, which we were running through GNS3 through our interface. So in this video, what we are going to be doing is we're going to be learning about trunking and being able to trunk one extreme switch to another extreme switch. So I got two here set up, ready to go. Let's make a connection on here, and we will get going and build this out. So we're going to connect the switch up to our primary, our core switch that we're going to be using. We're going to be using port 1 on both of these. On our main switch, this EXOS-1, if we come in here and look at this guy, you can see that we just have our one main interface that we set up in the last video to connect to our NAT interface. So let's open up the second extreme switch, and we will log in here. It's defaulted, so we'll just check that out. Show VLAN, just show you there's nothing in here. Can't get out. We can't hit 2.168.122.1. Can't hit anything because we can't go out. Actually, I think this is 1.2, if I remember right. Yep, this is 1.2. Can't get anything yet, so let's build this new link with a new VLAN. So first thing we are going to do is we need to set up that new VLAN. Kind of the same process as we used last time. Let's use VLAN 10. Then do config VLAN 0010. Then we're going to set the tag 210. Set up on our port, but this time we are going to be using the tag command. Ports, add ports 1, and then tagged. So remember, if you remember last time we used untagged here, we're just switching that to tagged. Now we need to create our IP address on this switch. So VLAN 10 IP address 10.10.10. Let's just say 1. We'll do a /24, make it easy. Alright, so that should be go. We just do a show VLAN on there. We can see our interface that we have set up. We do show port. Is it ports? I can't remember. Show port status. Show interface. Show port. Man, it's been a little bit. Port 1. There, that's what I wanted. So as you can see, this is a live report on this. You can see the little cursor, it's going back and forth. So if anything changes on this, it'll update this automatically, which is really handy if you're doing live troubleshooting, or if someone's out in the closet and you're sitting at your computer, they can plug it in and you can see right away if it's plugged in or not. If you do not want to see that on that port, you just hit no refresh, I think. So we'll hit no refresh, and then it'll just be a static entry in there, and it'll just show you what's going on at that port at that time. So we're good here. So let's come over here to switch 2, and then we need to do the same thing. Create VLAN 10, configure VLAN 0010, set your tag. Config VLAN 10 at port 1. Tagged. Configure VLAN, IP address. What was it over here? Show. Alright, so our VLAN here we were using was 10.10.10.1. We'll use 10.10.10.2 /24. And should be good. We should be able to hit 10.10.10.1. And there we go. We can get out, we can hit this interface right here, and we should be able to hit 2.168.122.2. Oh, we cannot hit that yet. So what's going on there? Why can't we get there? We probably need a default route getting out here. So we'll do a configure IP route. Add, say 192.1. 168.122.2. Add default 168.122.2. Oh, wrong one. 10.10.10.1. All right, so now can we get out? Can we hit that? We can. There we go. We can get out now. So that is all we're going to be doing today. The next video we might do maybe a port channel. I think in Extreme it's not exactly called port channel. It's called, I think just LACP is all they call it. So maybe the next video we'll do that. These videos are helpful for you guys. If you enjoy them, give them a thumbs up, like the channel, and we'll be back with another one.